Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with our chapter number 11, Algebra. Exercise 11.5, question number 3. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other value do not satisfy the equation. Now here one equation is given and you have to find out the solution for this equation. Now, A part of question number 3, 5m is equal to 60 for the values m is equal to 10, 5, 12 and 15. So, we have to place this value in place of m and we have to find out the equation. So, the solution is 5m is equal to 60 where the value of m is 10, 5, 12 and 15. Now, if m is equal to 10. So if m is equal to 10, then we'll write 5m is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Now we know that 5 into 10 is 50, not 60. So 50 is not equal to 60. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Now we'll put the value m is equal to 5. Now putting the value of m is equal to 5, 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. This is the equation. But we know that 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. It is not 60. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Now we'll take m is equal to 12. So if m is equal to 12, so 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60. And if we multiplied 5 by 12, it is 60. Therefore, 60 is equal to 60. Therefore, we can say that the equation is satisfied. Now, m is equal to 15. Where m is equal to 15, so 5m is equal to 60. Now, 5 multiplied by 15 is 75, which is not equal to 60. Therefore, we can say that the equation is not satisfied. Thus, m is equal to 12 is the solution for the given equation. Children, in the same way B and C you will do on your own. Now we come to D part. Q upon 2 is equal to 7 for Q is equal to 7, 2, 10 and 14. This is the value of Q. So solution for this is Q upon 2 is equal to 7 for the value of Q is equal to 7, 2, 10 and 14. Now we'll put the value of Q is equal to 7. So putting the value of Q is equal to 7, we get 7 upon 2 is equal to 7. But we know that 7 upon 2 is not equal to 7. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Now we take Q is equal to 2. By putting the value Q upon 2 is equal to 7, we know that 2 upon 2 is 1, not 7. So 1 is not equal to 7. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Now we'll take Q is equal to 10. So putting the value Q upon 2 means 10 upon 2 is equal to 7. But we know that 10 upon 2 is equal to 5, which is not equal to 7. Therefore, the equation is not satisfied. Now we'll consider Q is equal to 14. Now 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Now if we divide 14 by 2, we get 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, we can say that the equation is satisfied. Thus, Q is equal to 14 is the solution for the given equation. So children, in the same way you have to do E and F. Now we move on to question number 4. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Now here this equation is given, that is m plus 10 is equal to 16 and the value of m is given. So the value of m is from 1 to 10. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. And here we have to write m plus 10. So the equation is m plus 10 is equal to 16. So we'll substitute the value of m as 1 to 10 and we will find which is the solution. Now for first, where m is equal to 1, so m plus 10 is equal to, so we'll do the solution for this. M is equal to 1. So m plus 10 is equal to 1 plus 10, that is 11. So we'll write the answer 11 in the first box. Now when the value of m is 2, then what is m plus 10? Now again for this we'll say m is equal to 2. So m plus 10 is equal to 2 plus 10. So 2 plus 10 we get 12. So we'll write 12 in the given box. In the same way, for m is equal to 3, we'll write 3 plus 10, that is 13. So we'll write 13 in this box. Now when m is 4, so 4 plus 10 we get 14. So we'll write 14. So for m is 5, 5 plus 10, that is 15. And when m is 6, 6 plus 10, that is 16. And when m is 7, then 7 plus 10, 17. So we'll write 17 here. Now when m is 8, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. And when m is 9, so 9 plus 10 is 19. And when m is 10, then 10 plus 10 we get 20. And so on. We can write the table, but from this table we can observe that when m is equal to 6, then m plus 10 is equal to 16. Therefore the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16 is satisfied. So we'll make a box here. So with this we can say that this equation m plus 10 is equal to 16 is satisfied. So children, B part of the question you have to do on your own. Now we come on to C part of the question. Complete the table and find the solution to the equation z upon 3 is equal to 4 using the table. Now here the equation is given z upon 3 is equal to 4 and the values of z is given here. You can see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. So we'll put the equation and we'll, in place of z, we'll use these values and we'll find out the answers. Now, so we'll prepare a box like this. Here we have written z, the values of z and z upon 3. Now when the value of z is 8, so we'll write 8 upon 3. So how we'll take it out? The answer 8 upon 3, 8 divided by 3. So 8 divided by 3 is an improper fraction. So we'll convert this improper fraction into mixed numbers. Now when we divide 8 by 3, we get 2 whole numbers, that is 2 integer and 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the answer. We'll write this in the box. Now when z is equal to 9, so what is z upon 3? So we'll put the value as z is equal to 9. So z upon 3 will be 9 divided by 3. So by dividing 9 by 3 we get the answer 3. So the answer will be 3. So we'll write 3 here. So we'll write 3 here in this box. Now when z is 9, z upon 3 is equal to 3. Now when z is equal to 10, then z upon 3 will be 10 divided by 3. So when we divide 10 by 3, we get 3 whole numbers 1 upon 3. So we'll write 3 whole number 1 upon 3. So we can say that when z is equal to 10, z upon 3 is equal to 3 1 upon 3. Now when z is equal to 11, then z upon 3 will be 11 divided by 3. So when we divide 11 by 3, we get 3 whole numbers 2 upon 3. So we'll write here 3 whole numbers 2 upon 3. So we can say that when z is equal to 11, z upon 3 is 3 whole numbers 2 upon 3. Now when z is equal to 12, then z upon 3 will be 12 divided by 3. So when we divide 12 by 3, we get 4 answer. So when the value of z is 12, the value of z upon 3 is 4. Now when the value of z is 13, the value of z upon 3 will be 13 divided by 3. Now when we divide 13 by 3, we get 4 whole number 1 upon 3. So we'll write here 4 whole number and 1 upon 3. So the value of z is 13, then z upon 3 is equal to 4 1 upon 3. Now when z's value is 14, then z upon 3 will be 14 divided by 3. So when we divide 14 by 3, we get 4 whole number 2 upon 3. So when the value of z is equal to 15, then value of z upon 3 will be 15 divided by 3. When we divide 15 by 3, we get answer 5. So we'll write 5. In the same way, children, you can find out z upon 3 where the value of z is 15, 16 and so on. So coming to the question, we had to find that z upon 3 is equal to 4. So here when the value of z is 12, then the answer z upon 3 is equal to 4. So from the table we have observed that when z is equal to 12, then z upon 3 is equal to 4. So here the equation that z upon 3 is equal to 4 is satisfied. So children, in the same way you have to attempt question number D on your own. Omit question number 5. With this we end our chapter. Thank you for watching the video.